To fix the login issue of Zoom Workplace, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the login issue of Zoom Workplace. So make sure to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to fix the login issue of Zoom Workplace, make sure that you open the Zoom Workplace once and try to sign in again and again. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to close the app again and try to open the app again and try to sign in. So if that doesn't help, then you just need to make sure that you are connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if you are not connected to strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to log into your Zoom account. And if you're still connected to it and if that doesn't help, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, it helps you to fix the error which are occurring on your network. So do this and try to log in again. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on the device and see if there is any kind of update available for the Zoom Workplace app. So if there is any kind of update available, then you just need to make sure to update the app and it is available for the latest version. If that doesn't help, then you just need to simply restart the device and it will help you to fix it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.